Notification sound of Windows 10 is really irritating, especially when everybody is sleeping and you are working on your desktop or laptop. To stop the notification sound of Windows 10, you have to do some tasks. Those tasks are really very easy. I am going to describe how to do this work. Simply, you have to go to the control panel of Windows 10. Then you have to go to the sound section. After getting the sound pop up, you have to click on the sounds, then find the notification option in this box. Here is the notification option. Just click on this notification, and after that click on this drop down box, click on no sound and then apply. Okay, this is simple, and now the notification sound of Windows 10 is stopped, and no irritating sound will arise when you are working on the night and everybody is sleeping. So nobody will be disturbed. You can work on your desktop without any sound. That's it. I think this tutorial will help you. Thank you very much.